I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your email address on your Uber driver account, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Uber driver app. Launch the Uber driver app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings where you can make changes. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings, look for the Personal Information section. This is where you can update your email address, phone number, and other personal details. Step 4. Update email address. Tap on the email address field and enter your new email address. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid issues with account notifications. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your email, you may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the link in that email to verify the change. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Updating your email address is a simple process, but it's important to ensure that you receive all communications from Uber. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Uber support for assistance. Happy driving.